Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error object name exists on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, name already exists, then first you will have to check in File Explorer if such object already exists or not. Look for the object name, type here for example Ubisoft, and if you found already such type of folder or files available in File Explorer, then rename your file or folder name and try with a different name. The second workaround to fix this issue is run this problematic app with administrative privilege. Right click on that program which you are facing error and go to properties. From the top menu bar, go to compatibility and make the check against option run this program as an administrator, and click on apply and OK to save the changes, and open problematic app or program or features application in administrative mode. The second workaround to fix this is right click on start button and choose task manager, and here go to process tab and make sure that no any such program and features is in process mode. If you found such your problematic app and features under process, then simply select it, or you may search here and simply if you found any such apps and features is in under process, then simply select it and choose end task from the top right corner. So end process of your running app and features. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on start button and choose run. Here in run command box type %temp and again %sign and click on OK. All your temporary files and folders will be available here, visible here. Simply select it, any one of them, and press Ctrl+A to select all contents of this folder and choose delete. So clear your temporary files and folders caches through run command box and delete all these contents of temporary files and folders in this folder. Delete it. After that, close the File Explorer windows and check whether your object's error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes, and in command prompt windows execute the command. These three DISM tool one by one. Execute these three commands DISM tool one by one. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of this 3 DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Follow on screen instruction. There is a system repair pending with requires reboot to complete, so restart your system. Otherwise wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, rename your files and folders name, application name. Simply right click on it and choose rename, and rename with a different name, and try to launch application with different name. Your issue will definitely be